Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to reset YouTube recommendations on your Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It helps us a lot and keeps us motivated to make more useful videos like this for you guys. Okay, in order to reset YouTube recommendations, you have to clear your watch history because YouTube recommendations is based on your previous watch history. Okay, so first of all, let's open YouTube. Now from here, go on your profile icon by clicking on bottom right corner. Now go on history section and click on view all. From here, click on top right corner on these three dots and click on clear all watch history. Click on clear all watch history. Okay, now refresh the page. As you can see, your recommendations is off. Sorry, your recommendation is resetted. So that's it for the video. That's how you can reset YouTube recommendation. Thank you very much.